Respected Vice Chancellor, Anna University Chennai, Dr. Manna Jawahar, Dr. Mailsamy Annadurai, Project Director of Chandrayaan, Mr. Sukumar Rajagopal, Senior Vice President, Chief Information Officer, and Head of Innovations Cognizant, Dr. Shanmugvel, Registrar, Anna University, Dr. M. Sekar, the Dean of College of Engineering, Gindi, Dr. C. Chelapan, the Chief Coordinator of Kurukshetra and Professor of Department of Computer Science and Engineering, the faculty coordinators of Kurukshetra, members of the staff, and my dear friends. A very good evening to one and all. Kurukshetra, the brainchild of our alumni, is in its fifth year now. Over the years, it has grown into one of the finest tech fests in the country. Especially after receiving the UNESCO's patronage, we have seen a lot of international participation in our events. With the grand success of Kurukshetra 2010, that is, with the new world record in origami, with over 70 countries participating in Athena, an online math coding contest, and with a well-designed content management system enabled website, the onus on our team was more to make Kurukshetra even bigger. To live up to the expectations, we have been assiduously working, and I hope we would be able to put up a better show this year. Now, just to take you quickly through what Kurukshetra 2011 has been in the online events front, and also to give you a short, a crisp of what Kurukshetra is going to be in the coming days. Athena this year saw humongous participation from over 100 countries. And the online puzzle event, Riddles of the Sphinx, this year has become the second largest puzzle event in the country in terms of number of participants. Also, with regards to the on-site events, this time our theme is the past, the present, and the future of technology. And we have aligned our events, workshops, and a couple of other new initiatives along the lines of this theme. The initiatives are the virtual webcast, Kurukshetra Bar Camp, and the entrepreneurship panel discussion. This year specifically, the entire Kurukshetra team has been working towards creating an ecosystem of universities and industries to aid better knowledge sharing and also to help bridge the university industry divide. So, in order to disseminate the knowledge of our esteemed guests and speakers to a wide variety of audience, including those who found themselves unable to be present during the days of Kurukshetra, we have introduced what is called the Virtual Webcast Initiative, first of its kind in a student-run organization in association with Cisco, where we will be broadcasting the lecture series to various colleges, not only in India, but across the world live. The next interesting initiative is the Kurukshetra Bar Camp, wherein the technology enthusiasts, both corporates and students, get together and brainstorm the various technologies of the next generation like the Android, the multi-touch, and the cloud computing. And entrepreneurship today has become the buzzword. So it is only imperative that we give the student community a flavor of what it is to be an entrepreneur by engaging them in interactive sessions with successful entrepreneurs like Irfan Alam, Rashmi Bansal, and Mr. Prakash. And all this success every year in Kurukshetra, covering the entire spectrum of technology and management, is definitely attributed to the encouragement, the support, and the guidance that we get from our Vice Chancellor, our Dean, the Chief Coordinator, other faculty coordinators, the members, and of course, the entire student community. But quite often, it is thought that Kurukshetra happens so well because of the untiring efforts of just the core team, which is not so. In reality, there is a lot of effort that goes into each year's Kurukshetra by so many students, faculty, non-teaching staff, and many others. But these individual efforts are sometimes going unnoticed. So, with the permission of the distinguished dignitaries on the dais, I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate the contribution each and every person has made towards the creation and growth of Kurukshetra. I would be very happy if all of us could extend a big round of applause to all those who have made what Kurukshetra is today. I would like to end with a very small thought. Recently, while I was preparing for this talk, I came across in one of the Upanishads, unknowingly or knowingly, we, the Kurukshetra team, we've been following this over the years. And as a representative of this year's Kurukshetra team, I would like to share this thought with everyone and probably leave this as a thought to ponder upon for the upcoming Kurukshetra teams. In Sanskrit, it says, Ka mamaya evaya purusha iti sa yata kamo bhavati tatkratur bhavati. Yat kratur bhavati tat karma kurute, yat karma kurute tad abhisambatyate. In English, it translates to, you are what your deep driving desire is. As your desire is, so is your will. As your will is, so is your deed. And as your deed is, so is your destiny. Welcome to this world of joy, science, and learning. Welcome to Kurukshetra. Thank you.